Hi, my name is Jesse Chai. Today I will show you how to create custom ringtones for iPhone. First step you need to do is to open iTunes and select a song that you want to turn into a ringtone. Choose a 30-second or less portion of the song to make a ringtone from. Double-click the song and make note of the start and stop time. Right-click the song and click Get Info from the menu. Select the Options tab in the new window. Enter the start and stop time of the 30 seconds or less portion of the song that you choose to be the ringtone. I chose mine to start at the 13th second. So the stop time has to be 43 seconds, which make it 30 seconds long. Click OK. Double click the song to play and make sure you selected the correct portion. When ready, right click the song and select Create AAC version from the menu. A new copy of the song will appear in the iTunes. As you can see it is located right under the original song. Make sure the song is 30 seconds or less. Right click the new song and select Show in Window Explorer. Click on the name and change the file extension from M4A to M4R. Enter. Yes. Click, hold and drag the file to your desktop. In your iTunes, right click the song and select Delete from the menu. Do not worry because the song will remain on your desktop. Now go back to your desktop and double click the song to add to the tone section of the iTunes. Last but not least, connect and sync your iPhone. In this case, I already have my phone connected, so I would click sync. And there you have it, a new ringtone. Thank you for watching.